The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone had a great night, ready for a great day. Give me 1 second. Okay. We're ready to rock and rumble. Nobody here yet? Wake up, everybody. Anyway, let's look at the market overnight, shall we? Give me 1 second. So, boom, 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 boom. NQ, ES, pretty much rising up all night. Low on NQ, low on ES, 47.91. High on ES, 48.04. I believe the all-time high on ES is 48.08. We'll take a gander at that here shortly. Hey, I'm Matt. How you doing? NQ, 16.924 for the low. 16.989, very close to 17,000 for the high, but it's pulled back a bit. YM, very near its highs. Copper had a good night. About 100 ticks of range. We see gold heading up here. About 10 points in range. Ultra Bond also was heading up, pulled back a little bit. At a point and a quarter. Crude oil settled down after a while yesterday. About a point range. Natty gas, been coming down. Warm weather here in the United States means there's less demand for natty gas. And Bitcoin, just under 43,000. Dollar, big pullback on the dollar. Look at that. And Q had this interesting move up here earlier here. This was like wasn't awake. I mean, I was up, but I wasn't staring at the chart yet. Missed that. And then nice pullback. Really interesting move there. And then it's gotten flat now, moved up here, and again, I wasn't paying attention. So hopefully it gives us more opportunities. Have you traded yet today, Ahmed? Pull back here. Watch as it pulls back a bit. Ouch, ouch. Oof. So news this morning. We have a gaggle of news at 8:30. U.S. housing starts, Canadian CPI, Canadian PPI, U.S. building permits, Canadian core CPI holds all that. After that, there's nothing besides a Fed speaker at 9:30, right at the bell, which is very nice. So, a whole bunch of news coming up here in about 25 minutes, and then nothing besides a Fed speaker. Yeah, easy for me to say. Fed speaker after that. Gold's popping up there. Nice move there. Sitting at 16,966. Could we see 17,000 today? And let's go back and look at ES. Pretty sure we're near all time. Look at that move. Look at that. That's just over the last 10 trading days or so. Just an amazing move up. So let's go to a weekly chart because that's easiest. Yeah, right here. 4808.25. That's the all-time high. Let me hit this. So, because some will say now that the all-time high is actually 5,028. That's not a number we actually saw. It was on a different contract than what was the front contract. But that was the all-time high on any particular contract. But I'm still going to use the 4808 because that was an actual continuous, front month contract. So we're really near that high. As they're just kind of rising up here. Hey JC, how you doing? Good morning, Kevin. Yeah. Choppy, thy name is in queue. I haven't taken a lot of trades on it. I have not been feeling, just feel, I don't know, I'm not consistent right now, even though I see the market so well when I'm charting, and I'm just not finding that same feeling right now when I'm live trading, so it's been kind of going very, very, very slow, so I don't want to blow the thing. And I'm trying to get Topstep, one of the Topsteps to funded, so I have two different funded accounts. Yeah, it is. It's a mind game. Yes. In case anyone missed it, Bolinox 75% off all accounts now to the until January 2nd. Actually, that includes their end of day accounts. Good luck, Imad. Is that your first trade of the day, Imad, or have you already traded? And are you up or down? Oh, getting a little bit of movement up. Definitely now in a slow period. Market not doing much. Chilly morning here in Decatur, Illinois. Like the only day it's going to be chilly here before Christmas. Christmas, they went a high of 54 and rain. No white Christmas this year. I'm dreaming of a white. Oh, sorry. Blue candle there. Okay, I'm going to join you. Long at 9.73. Of course, as soon as I jump in, it decides to pull back a bit. Setting my target at the high of that candle here, which is 975. Our ATR is probably like 2. Oh wow, just under 3. So see where we go. I don't know where we're going. Just toying with us. Hey, Cool Beans, how you doing? I'm doing alright, and that's a very positive outlook on life. I like that. Well, they say breaking up is hard to do. Breaking up is hard to do. Oh no, I'm mad. I don't think this is gonna give us what we want. Oh, so you abandoned me. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, I may just get out of this. I'm gonna move my stop up to the bottom of that blue candle that I entered on. I had my stops now 10 ticks, so if it does go down and stop me, that'll be a $50 loss. There we go. So the most that gave me was 6 ticks, it was like, which is $30. Not upset about not taking that. Pulling back now. Technically, that's a trigger for me. I don't know. News coming up in 10. And I'm glad I didn't take that trigger. Hell's going up, and hey, Borneo, how's it going? Oh yeah, see, that was popping. Try to get back up to 73. I'm not sure what caused it to bottom out here after Europe opened, but then that rebound started that nice move up. Second purple candle here on NQ. I might actually take that. I kind of like this pattern. It came up, down, tried up, failed. Tried to meander up, failed. How's your trading been going, Borneo? Purple candle didn't hold there. Let's put candle back up. AJ Jerry, yeah. I can't talk today. JJR, how you doing? Yep, our gaggle of news coming up in just 7 minutes. So, one trade, one loss so far for $50 plus commission. We will continue to move forward. Yep, news coming up. We are flat and it'll stay flat. And after that news, we really have nothing except for the Fed speaker at the bell. Fed speaker shouldn't be allowed to speak at the bell. Yeah, yeah. There's another one. I didn't mention the other one because stream's done by then. But yeah, keep in mind if you're trading later in the day, there's another Fed speaker. Pops up, right back down. Apparently that's when he's going to be on Yahoo Finance. So apparently that's just when they booked him. I don't know. You would think they will want to be concentrating on what happens at the bell, but 2 minutes to our news. Everybody ready for Christmas? Who has Christmas shopping to do yet? This blue candle would be interesting to me if we weren't a minute away from news. Ready to rumble? I don't know how much this news is going to really move the market. It's not like a CPI or PPI, but Let's see what we get. Ooh, well, I guess I moved it more than I thought. Yeah, it's really not that big of a deal. Shot down 7 points, came right back up. Right now, it doesn't really know what it wants to do. It's only down 2 points on this candle. Looks like it wants to push down, and that's what it's doing for now. Down. Still not a really huge move, though. Down to 57, so here we go, we're falling. Whatever caused that huge move here earlier, about an hour and 15 minutes ago, it's giving almost all that back. Okay, now it's got my attention, but too late to jump in here. Now we'll wait for the bounce. Nice push down here. Okay, so let's look. What's our low? Oh, we're basically giving back the last hourly candle on NQES. Not even close to that. So nice little pullback here. So I didn't like the news. U.S. housing starts 1.56 million. They expected 1.36 million, so that's a big beat. Canadian CPI came in a little bit hot. They expected 2.9. It came in 3.1. Canadian PPI came in a little bit hot. Ooh, there's a bounce. We're long. Let's try and see if we can get back up to those EMAs. Nope. Does not seem to want to go. Well, maybe. Let's rise up. Y'all got very quiet. Put one back again. Purple candle. We'll get out if that ends up staying a purple candle. Right now it's not. No, it is. Or it might just stop us out even beforehand. There's our stop. And we continue to hammer down. Should have did a reversal there. Grabbed the move down. They didn't. Trying to pop again. Everybody fall asleep? Yeah, that one faked me out. The better candle would have been this one, but I don't take a long or purple, but you can see where that bounced up. Someone last night asked about the streaming schedule. As of now, I still plan on streaming 4 days next week, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th. And of course the rest of this week. Really only days planning on taking off is Christmas and New Year. Yeah, I can't imagine Borneo. I would not want to have to trade those hours. Well, maybe. I mean, I used to be a night person, so I don't know. Borneo, do you trade full time, or do you have to work a job as well around those hours? Popping back up. Popping fresh dough. Slowly grinding back up. So this blue candle here out of the red is the one working so far. Nice, nice. Morning, Al. Excellent. I took a trade on my other Topstep account. I went long on that blue candle, and I just got 5 points. So I got a win. I didn't show it because it was on the other one. I should have, but after I didn't want to take a second loss on that. But yeah, that worked. Tired today. Yeah, Ultra Bond's just about there, but yeah. Doesn't seem to be doing a whole heck of a lot, does it? Is everyone already gone on vacation? Gold made a new high day and then pulled back. Copper's right at its high day. Crude oil. Yeah. Hey John, how you doing? Dollar's fallen. Oh. I'm doing alright, John. Take any trades yet this morning, John? Dollar again is the dollar is DXY. 6E is the euro. Yeah, DXY. I'm at. It's not a CME thing. It's one of the other foreign exchanges that has the ICE. ICE has the dollar. So DXY. I forget who has it, but either way. right here. That's the dollar chart. Excellent, John. Excellent. NQ hanging here. Another blue candle. It's trying to push up. I got one off this blue candle here for 5. This one faked me out and I lost on that one. We're long here. I'm a little late, as usual. Let's see. I was only two ticks late there. Not bad. ATR is 3.5. So I have my target at 4. We'll see. I mean 5. We'll see if it gets there. It may pull back here. I noticed that if my signal line gets extended, I mean oh, sorry. Let me try that again. The RSI line gets extended away from the signal line. We'll see a pullback. So we'll see what happens here. Jingle bells, jingle bells. 7 minutes from the top of the hour. 37 minutes from the bell and a Fed speaker. Those that missed it yesterday on the Discord, Canadian futures trader entered in a $1 million position on corn on the July contract. 50 contracts on the July 2024 corn contract. I appreciate you sharing. I understand that, Morning. I absolutely appreciate you sharing. Yep, crude opens here in about 5 minutes. We'll see where it goes. Natural gas falling. He is a UV trader, but he'll sometimes take positions on other things, swing positions. He day trades UV, and he swing trades other stuff occasionally. Like he just recently closed out a big trade on the Canadian dollar, 6C. Now he's in corn swing trading position. Corn is $12.50 a tick. So that means every tick that position is moving at $650. I did bring up that contract here just since he entered. It's been pulling back. Yeah, that's what he's hoping. Ouch! Well, stopped out. Ouchie, ouchie. Not sure where that little burst down just came from, but okay. Well, cool beans. JC's name on Discord is Bean Trader. Pulls back, yeah, as we head toward the top of the hour. Sold a tractor. Also, quick push down here as we get half an hour from the bell. I shouldn't say quick, it's a whole 5 points. She thinks my tractor's sexy. Back down to 955. Bounce here. Let's see if it comes back up for us. Waiting for our next opportunity. So far, it's not going well today. Seems to be this theme of the week so far. Bouncing back up. So remember, we have a Fed speaker at the bell, so we have to be careful, even more careful around the bell than normal. Ultra Bond making a move. Ultra Bond's making a move. Nice little blue candle there on the 15. Crude making a move, as Borneo mentioned earlier. Copper new high day. Purple candle there on the 1. I don't know. I've lost my confidence honestly, but let's. I'm late as usual. Let's see, how late was I there? Yeah, point. Not horrible. Yeah, well, JJR, I think the part of that is honestly, I think a lot of the big traders have already started looking at Christmas vacations. Morning, Ace. K-pop still grounded. Think I got you beat, Ace. It is 17 degrees here. Trash out. Hey, look at that. We actually can hit a target today. Ace is my good luck charm. I got a winner. Wait, Central Illinois is colder than Wisconsin? Well, we're gonna have a rainy brown Christmas here in Central Illinois. This is the only cold day of the week. Maybe the only cold day in December, really. Our Christmas is supposed to be a high of in the mid 50s and rain. I mean, this is unusual. It's like the entire weekend is in the 50s. If we look at last year, let's look at last year. God, I have a lot of weird drawings on here. Let's look at last year. I guess I should actually add volume to the chart. That'll help. Okay. This is last year. Where are we? Where are you, Christmas? There we go. So it looks like last year our volume was pretty normal for the week before Christmas. A little bit down. Then the day before, the last trading day, volume was really down. So Friday we can definitely expect to see volume down, and then the week between Christmas and New Year, uh, first couple, we had one good day of volume. The rest days were all pretty crappy. So next week's definitely going to be a challenging week. Except for I don't drink. Oh, okay. Well, I thought you meant alcohol. I drink copious amounts of Coke Zero. Popping up a little bit here. So remember, we have a Fed speaker at the bell, so we need to be careful at the bell even more. Yeah, I'm not as fan of. I used to actually like Pepsi more, but they keep changing the formulas of all these zeros and everything, and Coke Zero is my favorite. Well, actually, my overall favorite is Cherry Coke Zero. But for some reason, it keeps being out of stock around here. It's like hit or miss whether I can get it or not. They don't carry it in 2 liters for some reason. Can only get it in either 6 packs or 12 packs. Oopsies. I can't drink regular non-diet soda. My other leg will fall off. I mean, honestly, I should, you know, eliminate it all, but maybe one day. Popping back up here. Oh, it does. The chemicals in it are horrible. Sucralose, aka Splenda, they say it actually can alter your DNA. So, but for now, they're popping up here on NQ. Now I need to work on getting my weight down, and then I can worry about eliminating the other stuff that I enjoy. Yeah, that one. Mighty Ox is 49. An ancient ox. All right. Good luck with that ace. Hey RJ, how you doing? Probably the same thing I've done for the last 40 or so birthdays. Nothing. I hate my birthday. Just another year of celebrating, accomplishing nothing. I mean, hopefully that'll change this year, but right now I got 9 months plus to figure it out. Okay, I'm in Illinois, so I'm not sure what you're gonna do to. Not sure what you're gonna do in Pennsylvania. I used to live in PA. Market's really slow. Our ATR on the NQ is still like just 3. Definitely a slow morning. Yep, that's my goal as well. Losing weight and making money. Excellent ace. Good job. Feed half the family. Think I know which half might not get fed. No, RJ, he said K-pop didn't get drowned. Drowned? That'd be horrible. Grounded. Just in trouble. So I'm not sure what in trouble is if, like, there's no punishment. The Hunger Games. Ah, that's worse than grounding. I'll be going strict carnivore for 9 months after the new year. We are 8 minutes away from the bell. Remember, again, Fed speaker at the bell as well. They say patience is a virtue, Ace. What was your entry on the gold trade, Beans? Nice pullback here in NQ, and by nice I mean it's a whole 3 points. Hey, excuse me a minute while I yell at my cat. Hey, no, don't go back there. If you unplug my computer, there's going to be a lot of people mad at you. That's a good trade there, Beans. He's hunting mice. We have mouse problems. So let's see where we go from here at the bell. 5 minutes to go. And don't let him convince you he doesn't speak English. Well, the problem is he tries to handle the mouse issue, but he's dumb. He'll catch a mouse, like out here in the kitchen or in the pantry, and he'll take it into the living room, and he'll put it down and expect it to stay where he put it down. And then the mouse scampers off, and he gets upset. So I've started calling it the mouse relocation program because all he's doing is picking up the mouse from one place and letting it go another place. He's an older cat and he's a fat cat, so I mean he tries to do what he can, but Hey, Mr. Freeze, how you doing? I probably would, yeah. Beans. Especially since we also have a Fed speaker, cool beans. He wasn't on mine until I looked today. He's speaking on Yahoo Finance according to Financial Juice. Fed's Barkin speaks on Yahoo Finance. So Barkin will be barkin'. Have a good one, Borneo. Yeah, I think he just got added like today. I mean, or yesterday. I don't know. They've been doing these surprise Fed speakers the last few days. Less than a minute to go. Let's get ready to rumble. Ooh, quick burst down there right before the bell. Ding, 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 ding. Down, up, down. Dow bouncing. There's NQ bouncing. Ooh, big bounce. Whoosh. Wow, we're okay. So is that the bell doing that, or is barking barking? I don't see anything yet. $25. Look at this, going up. What's our high? I forgot to look. Okay, our high 989. We're at 980. Remember, ES all-time high, 48.08. We're like 7 points off of that. Still going. Nothing outlasts this. Should have taken that blue candle, but I'm here. Not seeing any headlines from the barking. Pull back here. Oh, back to green on it, I think. Indecisive here, around 975. ES up to 4801 and YM 37727. Pull one down. Oh, it popped right back up. Kind of indecisive. It's sniffing that 17,000 mark, but can't quite get up there. May make a run for it here. Make a run for the border. Nope. He doesn't want to come down. Still above my RSI signal line there. Huh? Green again. YM pulling back after that big blue candle. Gold's going. Sorry about that, cool beans. Yeah, I'm not seeing any headlines. Are you watching that, Carib? Is he saying anything important? Here comes NQ down. So NQ giving back now. Got up to 987. Back down to 967. Oh, good. Cool beans. I'm glad. Falling. Now, is Barkin saying something that's causing this, or it's unusual from Financial Juice not to have any headlines of a Fed speaker? Taking the short here. It broke the 20, it broke the 100. Let's see if it continues to come down for me. Oh, wait a minute. Took it on the wrong account. So you're not seeing it. Oops. No, it's about to stop me out anyway. I think. Now you see it. Or you will in a minute. There you go. It's about to stop me out. There we go. Just in time to get stopped. So we'll switch back to the other account now. Alright, Ace. Wow, gold taking off. Great job getting back in there, Cool Beans. Big bounce there and then Q. YM trying to push up. Now you can feed the other half of the family. Keep popping up. Up. Fed's barking. The Fed SEP is not guidance, just a forecast. Demand and inflation are normalizing. Inflation data has been going in the right direction. We're making good progress. I am looking for consistency and breadth in inflation data. The economy is not as frothy as data has suggested. Frothy. That's an interesting word to use. And market's kind of blah right now for a minute. Let's see. Again, trying to get up to 17,000 on NQ. High of the overnight, 989.25. Going back again after getting up to 986. Yes, that's what I said. I think. Yeah, 989.25. Let's try to push again. Barkin says, I think inflation is more stubborn than the average Fed official. I think he just put down all the other Fed members. Up, new high, 992. Gold just hit 2050. Five points away from 17,000. Hanging around 990. Pulling back just a tad. ES 4804. Remember 4808 quarter, I think, is the all-time high on ES. Pulling back. So it looks like 17,000 will have to wait. Meanwhile, gold is just blowing up. You still in gold there, Beans? Dow's heading up pretty well too there, 37,767. Say that does fast. ES all-time highs will also have to wait to see a pullback. Big move down. This is a 21.3 minute candle. Yeah, it is. YM shooting up. YM and gold really shooting up. Meanwhile, NQ is just dropping quick. Take a gander of that gold chart. Look at that. This is where when I started the stream, our high was here. That. Boom. And even just burst up again. So we all should have been trading gold today. I think John has some PTSD from gold. Wow, it's just exploding up. I hope you're banking huge here, Beans. And Q pulled back up and then back down. Yeah, I would agree with that. Oh, wow, John. Sorry to hear that. Oh, yeah, it's true. I mean, yeah, still. Yep. That's why, I always take signal callers with a grain of salt. He's still trying to figure out where it wants to go. It's pulled back, but it keeps trying to pop up a little bit. Gold's pulled back a little bit. It got up to 2056.1. It's pulled back to 2053.7. Dow just continuing to go, now above 37,800. Dow's like, RJ wants to leave me, I'll show him. There is. Don't ask me how, but I know that there is. Does anybody have that answer? NinjaTrader doesn't want to show the orders on the chart. Ooh, look at this pop up. If Matt LaRocco was here, he would have the answer, but Matt doesn't stop in often anymore. Oh, ES, 2 points away from all-time highs. Pulling right back on NQ. I think barking, stop barking. Blue candle here on the 1. Toying with me. We're long. Went wrong on the wrong account again. Gold continuing up. What's our ATR here? 11. That blue candle is only a 5-point candle. Giving it a little bit more room than it. Ew. Well, that's not good. I put my stop at the bottom of that blue candle. It already was stopped out, but let's see. Maybe it's going to reward me for having the wider stop. There we go. Come on. Target's 877.5. There we go. Target hit. Now we got a decent win. That was a $200 win. Thank you, John. It didn't go much further than my target either. Went about 2 points. Excellent, RJ. And quick pull back down. Gold back up to 2055. ES. ES just hit a new all-time high. 48.0875. Dow up to 37.831. Q pushing back up. And Q's still trying at once 17,000. I feel it. Especially now that we've just broke all-time highs on ES. We hit 995 earlier, about 20 minutes ago. Top of the hour coming up. No more news catalysts. Nothing until there's a Fed speaker at 12:30 Eastern for those of you trading into the afternoon. Sad that Ace wasn't here to see ES hit all-time highs. Pulling back. Wow, quick reversal there at the top of the hour. 18 points down. .1 minute candle here. Just a sudden pullback. Everything pulled back here. Even gold with a little red there. YM with a little red. It's crude. Oh wow, look, Borneo definitely called this breakout on crude. Look at that. Ultra bond kind of bleh. Continuing to try and push down here. Watching the purple candle there on the 1. Yeah, it holds for the next 45 seconds or so. Everyone got quiet. Why? Wake up. Dow, the nice pullback there. That would have been a great trade to take right there off of that green in the RSI red candle there. Same with the E. Well, ES never got green on the RSI, but pulling back. But here's NQ popping back up. And being knocked right back down. Waiting to find direction. Looks like it's back up. I wonder what caused that quick crash. And so we're getting back above the 20, above the 3 and the 1. If it closes above the 20, which it's kind of bobbing on right now, I might take a long. Nope, rejecting off the 20. Now I might take a short. That's a nice purple candle. Now I don't know what I want to do. It's kind of in the middle. Yeah, that's what I was wondering, but nothing on juice. They do have an article on Financial Juice about 3 reasons to skip buying that expensive gift this year. I think that ship's probably already sold. Everyone has already bought that expensive gift. Gold still pushing up to 2057. NQ looks like it's trying to recover, but I'm long. See if I'm stupid. We made new all-time highs, Ace. I mean, the Santa rally seems to have been going on for a while. If we look at the ES chart, I mean, we've been, like the last 10 trading days. We've gone up 250 points on the ES since December 6th. Yeah, then you can feed a village, Ace. Just not breaking for us here, RJ. I took the 2-point win. Well, 7-tick win. I probably should have stayed in, but we'll see what happens. Yep, there it goes. My original target would have been 84.25. Let's see if it gets there. Especially since just give me another blue candle. I should have re-entered. Joining RJ, entering back in. Because why not? Tight stop. And overnight high was where? 89, right? Go for 88. By the way, we just hit my original target, so that could have been... No, we didn't. We didn't hit an 84 yet. Now we did. So we just hit my original target. So that could have been a $200 trade. doesn't want to. It was 86. There we go. Nope. Got 86 quarter. There we go. Come on, come on. 86 half. Ah, pull it right back. Out. Yep. I ended up getting 6 ticks. I'm up 119 on this account. It's gonna bounce up on me though. I gotta just let trades play out. Yep, there it goes. Target was 88. Let's see if it gets there. Eh? Another pullback. Absolutely, Ace. There's my that there just hit my target. I think it just hit RJ's target. So I cost myself money there, big time. Wow, big burst up. Is it going to hit 17,000 now? Yeah, pulls right back. Well, let's see. So for Christmas, I've asked Santa for diamond hands. Still trying to head up. It really wants 17,000, but it keeps running into blockades. $93 half. Thank you, Borneo. Yeah, I saw CL took off. Let me go check out Topstep TV. Are we going to hit 17,000? Yes or no? What's your thoughts, guys? Uh, Ace Trades, when Topstep does a fire drill on their Topstep TV, they usually give away something free, like a free reset or even a free account. Why they call it a fire drill, I don't know. Well, there's 96. That's our high of the day. They recently hit 50,000 subscribers on... Oops, I paused them instead of muting them. But they recently hit 50,000 subscribers, so they said they're going to do something. $96 so far is our high. Back in 1 minute. Pulling back here now. Does not hit 17,000 yet. Well, we can take a gander at that. Let's take a look at our daily chart and let's go back in time. Turn back time. Let's see. 2019. 2019 didn't have much at all. Ooh. Let's check out 2020. Ooh, well, wasn't Christmas Eve, but 12/21, 2020 pulled back a huge amount. Let's see. Not finding it, John. Yeah. Maybe further back than I've looked. Took a couple more years as we're watching NQ hang around 985. Oh, look at a couple other Christmas Eves here quick and then... Oh, I found it. 2018. It was actually the opposite of a Santa rally that year. We came down the entire month. And then, but on Christmas Eve, it came down 71 ES. Wow. 71 points on ES. And the previous day was 72 points. That's the day you're thinking of, 2018. And then the day after Christmas, look at that pop-up. 129 points on ES. Nice memory. ES, by the way, has now hit 48.11, which is an all-time high. And Q trying again. Popped right back up. 96 quarter. Yeah, and that was pre-COVID too. So 71 points in a day from ES was huge back then, if I'm right. I wasn't trading. I didn't even know what futures were back then. So. Oh. Oh. Nope. I thought I was gonna have it there. Whipped up for a second. It's just kind of like playing with us. Wants to give us some drama. Will it hit 17,000? Will it? Will it? Will it? Meanwhile, ES is just like, I'm just going to continue plowing through all my all-time highs. As is the Dow. Did you catch the recovery on the day after Christmas, John? Here's another run. 97. Makes a new high by a point, pulls back. Makes a new high by a point, pulls back. At this rate, we might hit 17,000 by like 2 o'clock. Another blue candle bounce off of the 20. Oh, making a run. Nope. Yep. Denied again. So how are we looking today? We have 30 minutes to go. Are we green or are we red? Or are we an odd shade of purple? Ow, I'm mad. Get it back. Just size down. I just knocked something off my desk. What was that? It wasn't my phone. I don't know what fell. Hopefully it wasn't important. Oh, I see. I see. Bottle of hand sanitizer. In case anyone was wondering. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. 3 ticks away from 17,000. 1 tick away from 17,000. Are you kidding me? There it is. Just broke 17,000. Finally. RJ, didn't you say something about a certain number of trades the other day? For you, I forget what the number was, though. Nice, Ahmed. So are you continuing, RJ, or are you stopping for the day? So we got 17,000 and backed away from it again. Hard to tell what it wants to do. Yep, will we see a 1030 classic reversal? Back to 17. Up and up it goes. Where it stops, nobody knows. And folks, if you're looking for any accounts right now, Bowlinox is 75% off their end-of-day accounts. 25, 50, and 100K sizes. The cheapest end-of-day accounts you're going to find. Pulls back here. We're only by 5 points or so right now. Still above 16,990. Bigger pullback now, down to 983. Excellent, Ahmed. Are you above 200 in the green, Ahmed? I'm shorting here. Maybe a stupid decision, but I'm shorting here. Honestly, my short should have been here, but yeah. Yeah, it was a stupid decision. Decided to bounce right where I shorted. That's okay. I'm now up 66 cents on the day. Wow, yep, that was really bad short there. Wow, I didn't see that coming. I thought we were reversing there, honestly. Oops.
That was just a stupid, 100% stupid trade there. It was not even in my plan, was not any of my triggers. It was one, I should have taken the loss there, and I did, because it was totally against anything. We did burst up to 17,007 half, and then reversed right off of it. Now I think the short's in order. There's another stupid trade here. Stupid trade to hit my 10-point target. And we're back up now, and we're up by 196 today. Now let's look at that. You know, I tried to go short here, and I was right, but it decided to pop up here. I should have went. Look at this fall real quick. I should have went short right away off this candle, and the only reason I didn't is because I got stopped out there, and I tend to like have a deer in the headlights after I get stopped out. This was a perfect reversal candle here, down. Down to 969. See this 3-minute candle, we come down 26 points. That was a real sudden, just a reversal. Let's see if there's any news that popped there. No new news on financial news. Say that 5 times fast. Blue candle popped there. I wasn't paying attention. That was a play for me. Blue and red on the RSI. Although the signal line's still up pretty high, so there's probably actually, and you can see it pulling back. When the signal line's up that high, I usually don't like to take those blue candles. Yep, coming back down. See if we get a purple. Oh, the doji. I'm not sure why it's not even showing purple. Let's see what this does. Small candle. We're short. Stops at the top of that last candle. We're trying to get it there. There we go. So we're in at 72, stops at 79. That looks like it wasn't a good decision on my part. Stop that. Okie dokie. That does not ready to come all the way back down yet, apparently. Still green on the day. On this account. There's that purple candle. So I should have waited one more candle. Everybody got quiet again. Actually. Chat stopped working? No, there we go. Chat on my phone stopped working for some reason. Popping back up a little bit. So we saw Hess hitting 17,000 today at NQ. We saw ES hit hit a new all-time high of 48,1275. Dow just keeps flying as well. It's been just breaking all-time highs for the last few days. Wow, quick snap back up again. It's not ready to die yet. That was a blue candle above my signal line, but below that 20, I didn't really want to trust it, but you can see it worked. Back up to 16,990. .3 minute candle. Excellent, RJ. Glad to hear that. Stalling here at 994. Let's see if it can get higher. Here we go, 996. Trying back for 17,000. Yes, trying back for its highs as well. Pulls back a tad. Popping back up. Blue candle. Again, wants to run back for 17,000. Yep, pulled away. About 5 minutes left to go in the stream. RJ, you still holding that one? Carib, what do you mean? There's 17,000 again. Nice trade, RJ. JJR, I mean, I don't know how many contracts you trade, but if you trade more than one, perhaps sizing down when you're in a PA account, or even going to micros if you're not already using micros, till you get your feet wet. So welcome back to green, RJ. Oh, see you tomorrow, RJ. Have yourself a great day. We'll be ending here in just a couple minutes ourselves. Also a sloppy trading day for me, but somehow I'm green. Fun, RJ. Look at that blue pop up there, but it's struggling here around 17,000, so we're not going to try to take any additional trades at this point. Gold finally pulled back there. Look at that! Look at that though. It got up to 2059 before pulling back by about 7 points. Copper had a good day as well. Ultra bond, yucky. Crude, look at that blow up to 74. Dollar's still falling hard. Bitcoin's pulling back as well. So we're going to call it a day here. I do want to thank everyone for joining me. We're finishing up green just slightly, like 62 bucks. As we get back above 17,000 on NQ. We'll be back tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern Time for more day trading fun. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. I'll talk to you then. Bye. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.